Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2011 government pass question. Question number 23. The question says, in pre-colonial Igbo land, autocratic rule was made difficult. In pre-political Igbo land, in pre-colonial Igbo land, autocratic rule was made difficult. In pre-colonial Igbo land, autocratic rule was made difficult. When we talk of autocratic rule, it means totalitarian totalitarian system. Totalitarian system is made difficult before the coming of the colonial master. Option A say because A, prayer from age grades, B, activities of court societies, C, fear of dethronement, D, absence of a centralized system of government. So why it was difficult for any of the political institutions in that society was because there are prayers coming from different age grades, because there are different age grades in the society, and that's why it was known as a as as a far loss society, because many political institutions. Option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.